Imagine a world where every community, regardless of location or socioeconomic status, is thriving. Envision neighborhoods pulsating with economic vitality, businesses flourishing, and residents living comfortably, knowing they have the financial skills and knowledge needed to navigate their economic futures. This is not a lofty dream. This vision is entirely within our grasp. At the heart of this vision is the Empowerment Center, a beacon of education and growth. The goal of the Empowerment Center is to provide the tools and resources necessary to nurture financial literacy and business development skills. This center is not merely a building, but a nexus of change and progress. It is an incubator for ideas, a springboard for growth, and a guiding light in the journey towards economic stability and prosperity. The Empowerment Center will act as a catalyst for economic transformation in communities worldwide. By educating community leaders, we are equipping them with the knowledge to foster financial stability and promote business growth within their communities. This, in turn, will lead to job creation, poverty reduction, and an overall elevation in the quality of life. But the impact of the Empowerment Center extends far beyond the borders of any single community. It is a ripple effect that will traverse the globe, reaching even the most remote corners of the world. The Empowerment Center is a testament to the power of education and the potential it holds to transform lives and communities. However, this vision cannot be realized without your support. The establishment and operation of the Empowerment Center require resources. Every contribution, no matter how small, brings us one step closer to making this vision a reality. So contribute today. Your support will not only help to establish the Empowerment Center, but also set the stage for a brighter, more prosperous future. Remember, your contribution is more than just a donation. It is an investment in the future of communities worldwide. Thank you for being a part of this transformative journey. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can change the world.